Oh. Pero kung buwagod ka, dito, ano siya? So, thank you so much once again. And, doon ko expect dyan nga na ni. And then, sa surprise ni Mogan dyan. Thank you so much.
Ako yung lang surprise naman.
Wow! Pura ka rin ikado, kinadot na lagi ko. At, mag-jurman! Okay! Ichi! Ito sa Ichi! Ningga!
Sumuli ako yung surprise niya.
Ano ba na ito isa prank?
Wait,
Doon kayo sina!
what's up eh?
Ah, Jo Ichi! Bakit sa ba ni Ichi?
Nagubat man.
Bagong laptop?
Bugmayo.
Bagong laptop? Char!
Piling mo. Paraday kwarta. So, mo niya akong ikaduha nga surprise gift niya.
Hi Yen, happy birthday to you. I wish you more success in life, good health, and more blessings to come. I know that you are a good person. Just stay humble and sweet. Never forget to acknowledge God's presence in your life. Continue being an inspiration to others. Again, happy birthday, and I hope to see you soon. God bless.
Ayun, so hi Yan, happiest birthday to you. Though we didn't meet
Alay, si Mang Pano ni.
person,
Ang danay,
kita
Mang
niyo ni
Dan.
Sir Jelan. I am so happy na, ayun nga, we are cooperating as vloggers and kamo ang una na nakaila na ako kay maulog ito nahapot ng page na agad mo all throughout sa journey na ano lang, just enjoy the rest of the day and more candles to blow and congratulations also kay Laylay na mag-uptan sa inyong vlogs, diba? So, ayun lang yan, ang Pink Kanunay and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Yen. Wow, ate. Pasensya, mas tikuwang mo. Pero ate ko. Ito ako seryoso. Praying for more blessings nga po sa imuha. Wala pa gid ko ka-meet ni mo personally or sa inyo personally pero kay ba ko nga pibo kayo mo kauban, jamming kaayo mo and kay ba ko nga daghan kay pugon mo napalipay with the inspire nga ang tao especially sa vlog ni mo kauban mo nga palalaw sa sana all na palalaw kami tao na ni ko lang hot lang tao pero sa maka kuya Pero, it's a talent, it's a gift from God nga maka-inspire mo, makapalipay mo laing mga tao and I pray nga you'll continue to do that for the next year, sa mga years pa nga mabot and I know that God will give you more years pa sa imong kinabuhi, more blessings, more opportunities, more lives to be touched and wow, English. And I hope na makabad ko ninyo po good health kanunay and safety sa tanan ninyo mga travel goals kayo ba? Kung kami mga travel goals mo, may kauban na po mga palalabs po. Pero happy birthday, Ate Yen from Kubi!
Hi Ate Yen, happy birthday. Ang na kay maing lawas kanunay. Keep safe, ikaw, yung pamilya, kamo doon ni kay Jelan. Anya, keep vlogging. Thank you kayo sa mga advice mo na ko. Dahil yung nakatunan advice sa mga videos. Anya, kanang padayon lang punta sa pag-video na to, Team Payter. God bless. Yung tagtagaan pagkagmayang lawas sa Ginoo. More blessings to come and then stay healthy. Enjoy your day.
What's up mga kapusa? It's Pusang Gala and gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday ang ating kaibigan na si Yen ng Yen and Jelan Vlogs. So happy birthday sa iyo Lods and wishing you all the best and hope to see you soon at keep pushing lang Lods. I know malaki yung mararating nyo, malayo ang mararating nyo sa vlogging industry. So ayun, enjoy your day. God bless.
Hi Yen, happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Yen.
birthday Yen. See you soon Yen. God bless. Hope to see you soon. Balik pohon. Kung makauli na may goal. God bless. Have a blast.
Hi, Tiel! Happy birthday! So, I just want to sing for you. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Yen. So, happy birthday, Ted. I just want to say that thank you so much for everything. Since day one until now, you are like our mommy in Team Payter because you always guide us, support us, and help us throughout our journey. So, naakakalingaw sa mua through ups and downs. And we are very so thankful because we have you. And also, Kuya Jelan, because yan and Jelan vlog, of course, kamo man dyan ang duha. And without you guys, dili sa babil ng atong family na Team Payter. So, we are grateful for that and blessed, of course. So, I just want to say to you, Ate Yen, that stay who you are because I love the way you are. I love the way you like it. Thank you, Ayate. Okay. Ayaw lang dyan pagpag-o. And narami kalingaw nagsuporta sa inyo ha, through vlogging, of course. I did it sa vlogging, outside vlogging, kanan, because as I said, we are a family in Team Payter. So yes. And I just wish you the best in life. I wish you to have a wonderful birthday. And I wish that all your wishes will be granted. So yes. God bless them and take care always. Narami kalingaw in ninyo. So yes, thank you. And thank you Daan sa pag-imbita. Asa ka? Asa ang bakas? Okay, thank you so much. Ang pinkalinga, God bless. I love you.
Nice Yen, today is your birthday. I wish you more health and more blessings to come in your life and achievements. And I'm so happy and blessed for being a part of our team, and I'm so proud of it. Thank you, and stay healthy, kind, and humble. And lastly, thank you for everything that you've been sharing with us as our team, for every Team Payter. God bless you. And we love you always, Yan. Enjoy your day and let's party, rock and roll.
Alright, so hi guys. So gusto na kay-greet no si Yen, sa Yen and Jelan Vlog. So happy birthday doll. So enjoy kasi mong birthday karon no. So hoping mo ano na ni Jelan sa inyong mga lawas, sa inyong mga adventures, sa mga kaon or sa Team Payter, more kaon more lag. So happy birthday Yen. So enjoy kasi mong birthday karon. Hoping mo ano na ni Jelan. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye. Happy ka permi.
Hi, Mesh! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Mesh! I wish you all the best in life. At sana magka-baby na kayo ni Tatay Jelan. Enjoy your day. And God bless. Basta wish ko lahat na matupad lahat ng desires mo sa buhay. Okay, I love you. Mwah!
Hi, everyone. Happy birthday.
Alam naman yun si Lodi.
Good health and blessings from
Sana all ka, Adyo.
Happy kay ko na nakailang na ako o isa mo sa paborito na ako ng vlogger dito sa Bukal. And kumita mamit mo na ako sa personal. And once again, happy birthday! God bless!
Hi, Yen. Happy birthday.
Talaga to.
Happy birthday karon nga hatagan para dagang maggrasya o maayong panglawas o ipadadyon ang inyong pagpakuyanap sa mga good vibes pinangin sa vlog sa Yin and Jelan Vlogs o kami sa Team Payter na pero may nagasuporta rin o padadyon sa bagay paghatag o mga inspirasyon sa mga tao pinangin sa mga videos o labi na kanamo mga small YouTubers kamo ang inspirasyon nga magbuhat o videos o gusto mo go happy birthday o God bless.
Hi,
Yen, greetings from Kuwait. Happy birthday, and may God bless you more of all your heart's desire. Stay positive and stay healthy, and more vlogs to come. And I hope that successful munduhan ni Jelan with all your vlogs, and fights lang. Dream on!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mel. So, I'm so happy that I'm able to greet you through this video on your birthday. And of course, congratulations sa imong mga nakabot sa imong life karon, especially kung lubuan na kasi national TV na ikaw na pa nimo magpa-autograph na ko next time na kita tagbalik. Rita, ma'am, I'm so happy for you, and I know daghan pang blessings na mabot nimo because I know how good you are as a person. So, keep going, and God bless you always. Happy birthday again. See you. Kung makita ta puhon. Pinay vlogger nga akong friend. I'm so proud of you.
Hi Dam, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in life, the happiness in life, and blessings in life, and 2 more subscribers to come. And manghinaot kung malipayon ka karon sa imong birthday, and I miss you so much, Damski, and you know that I love you, okay? And I will see you soon, very soon. And once again, happy birthday.
Hi, Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for being my friend. Hindi pa tayo nagkita in person. Sobrang gaan na loob ko sa'yo. And I think you feel the same way kasi nga nagka-friend tayo on Facebook. And thank you so much to YouTube kasi nagkakilala tayo doon. You know me as Happy Lynn's Vlog, but I'm Lynn. So, I love you so much. I know we haven't met in person yet, pero love na kita kasi nga super humble yung mag-asawa. Lalo na ikaw, napaka-humble, napaka-down to earth. Stay as humble as you are until forever para i-bless pa tayo more ni Jesus. And I can't wait to meet you and collab with you one day. So hopefully mawala na si COVID and makauwi na kami ng Pinas. Hopefully this year or the next year. And I'm thinking of going to Bohol. So itood ko dila Zay kay magbuko ka ng Bohol Zay. Magkaon ko og sanay ka ng lubingan na kuan ba ito kalamay makaon ko kalamay na yun or either mo ato ka og Cebu, and pwede po na ako rin plate mo pa doon sa Cebu ito ka sa Cebu. So ayan, enjoy your day and God bless you more. Stay humble. Ayan, sana magkabibi na kayo as inino ako ha sa lista. So I'll see you soon, Day. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, guys. Happy birthday. So, I wish you all the best, especially in your YouTube channel. So, more successful. And I wish that what your desires will come true. So, happy birthday! I miss you a lot. I wanna see you soon. I don't know when are we going to meet, but I'm excited to meet you again. I don't know kung sa to last na I'm very excited to see you and meet you again. Happy birthday!
Hello, Annabella. Happy birthday. Long time no see. How are you doing?
God.
I wanna meet you again. I'd like you come to Japan, or I'd like to go back to Seoul again. I'm wishing you have a lot of joy and happiness this year. Take care.
Hello mga Lakocheros, and welcome mga sanat-sanat. This day is a very special day to one of the most gorgeous and sassiest member of Team Payter. At
Yen ay wala ng iba kundi ang nag-iisang si Yen. Kung hindi nyo na itatanong guys, medyo malayo-layo na rin at marami-rami na rin kami na pagdaanan nitong si Yen. Iba pa na kami nagkikita. Ganun pa ba? Gusto ko malaman mo yan na I am very much looking forward to seeing you one day with Jelan. And of course, ang mga original members ng BYC na sila Tweets Ryan at Carl Simon. And hopefully mag-cross ang landas ng Team Payter at ng Riot Vlog Squad to do some exciting collaboration. Kaya I can only be excited to see you one day dyan siguro sa Bohol o dito sa Cebu. Kaya in behalf of the Bisaya YouTubers Club and Riot Vlog Squad, happy birthday Yen! See you soon!
Happy birthday! So Ma'am Yen, I hope that you will still continue to create more entertaining vlogs for people that believes in your channel and believes in what you do, especially vlogging.
Yes, and more exposure sana all. TV na, bakit naman? Dito ma'am, in behalf of the Riot Vlog Squad, we're looking forward to see you soon and to have our collab with Team Payter. So yes, ma'am, and keep the love alive. Keep the love alive with Jelan.
Yeah, stay strong mo guys, and I hope na more blessings to come sa inyo and more birthdays to come sa inyo mamaya.
Yes, guys, I do. Sorry guys, akong eyes on cyclops. I'm fresh from the surgery. Hello guys, to siya ma'am, happy birthday! I love you!
Hi Yen, I'm here. I just want to say happy birthday to you and yes, girl, enjoy your day and kita-kits po diri sa Cebu or diha sa Bohol.
Mula ang sa inyo.
Happy birthday again!
What's up mga sunog sana? This is Wastrong Lagan and I would like to say and greet happy birthday sa ating pinaka-paboritong UH tourist star na si Namshi Yen. Sobrang proud talaga ako kay Yen. Kahit hindi pa kami nagkikita, sobrang gusto ko na siyang ma-meet at I am looking forward na makapunta ng Bohol at ma-meet siya. At si Jelan, ang kanyang of course better half. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako na kahit sa YouTube lang ay nakilala pa sila sa Facebook dahil sobrang nakaka-good vibes ang kanilang channel at ang kanilang samahang mag-asawa. So, I am so very happy sa kanilang mga achievements. No, sikat na sarap. Kayo mo, oy, mag-autograph na siya ko pag anak na mag-ball ba? So, Yen, thank you for the gift of friendship kahit sa virtual world lang, no? I hope to see you there in Bohol. Happy birthday! God bless you.
Hello guys! Oh my god, it's your birthday today. How old are you by the way? I guess you're 15 years old? Oh okay, just kidding. Yeah, I hope that today you receive, not only today, but in the rest of the year, you receive all the blessings that your heart desires. I could still remember those days that we had conversation about YouTube thing. And imagine you're there. You're there. Oh my god. Okay, congratulations. And yeah, just keep going. And soar high. Ate Marby is so proud of you, and I would like you to know that you can reach out to me anytime you want. Okay? Be happy, be strong, okay? And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Yen Yen. I hope you have many more birthdays to come soon. Love you all and Tita Yen Yen. And goodbye.
Happy birthday, Yen!
So, we wish you all the best in life and more travels and stay safe. God bless.
Thank you.
At sana makapunta kami sa Bohol para makakulab kami sa inyo. Happy birthday!
Yen, happy birthday.
Magpariaming ng kambal. Kambal!
Hi, Yen!
Ate!
Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. And sana, dire-diretso na yung career ninyo. Congratulations sa inyong dalawang
Ang ganda niyo po.
Wish you all the best in life.
Hello, mga friendship. It's me again.
Pero today, po ako vlog. So today, tinawag ko kayo para sabay natin batiin si Yen ng happy birthday! So yan Yen, binabati kita at ng aking mga ka-friendship ng happy birthday! So, alam ko nakuha mo na yung mga gusto mo makuha ngayon as a vlogger, pero syempre, more blessings to come. And always God is with you. And sana ayun na stay healthy always. And basta yun na yun lahat. Happy birthday again!
What's up mga sunod sana? Happy 27th birthday Ate. More birthday to come sa'yo.
Opa!
Congratulations sa YouTube ka rin yung Kuya Jelan. More birthday to come. God bless.
Kumusta ka dyan lahat? Sa Bujol, sa Bohol. Babatiin natin ang ating kaibigan na mag-celebrate sa kanyang kaarawan. Napagagaling mag-vlog to. Sumisikat na rin to. Nakikita na rin to sa television.
Bohol, kuya.
Yan, masaya ako sa iyo ma'am. Sa iyong pag-angat na inyong channel. Ayan, malaki na rin ang bahay nito. Walang iba, kundi ang pinakamagandang babae sa Bohol. Si Ma'am Yen, masaya ako kapag tuwing nakikita ko yung mga vlog mo kasama yung palalab.
Palalab.
Yan, babatayin kita naman ma'am ng happy birthday. Sana masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at more blessing sa iyong channel at saka sa iyong buong pamilya. Yan, mag-ingat po lang po palagi. Alam naman ang sitwasyon ng ating bansa ngayon. Mga kumakalat. Yan, dito na lang po. Ma'am Yindal, happy birthday. Yan, mag-iingat po palagi.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Hi Ate Yen, happy birthday sa iyo. So ayan, wish ko lang sana is maging successful pa yung mga goals mo in life. Ayan. So alam ko maraming blessing. So sana mas marami pang blessing na dumating sa iyo. And also sana after ng pandemic na to, sana hopefully makapunta ka dito, and I'm excited to tour you around here in Korea, lalo na sa mga filming locations. So happy birthday ulit. So God bless you. Ingat palagi dyan. Stay safe. Happy birthday.
Hello kapatid mo yan. Happy 27th birthday. It's me, your Kuya Chatter TV. Stay safe and healthy.
Hello Yan. Dito ako para i-greet ka ng happy birthday bilang isang ka-team Pinyaman at maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Pwede sa'yo na siguro ko kay morang apiki dyan magpuan ay magtagaw. Lami, magtutumang bisaya ta. Ikaw Yan, naka happy birthday Yan. Salamat sa kanunay na pag-support sa ako. Pero mintigil ka nga sa ako mag-support niyan. So, kailangan dyan ko maminaw dyan mag-vlog kay aran yung ano na, uy na, kailangan dyan ko ba makarelate dyan ko na binulanon na gimingaw na ba sa po ko binulanon. Basta mga na lang to dahil din ako nag-istorya kay kanang mawaw dyan doon ako pero tungod ni mo pinangalan ko mag-record o kaning para greetings para sa inyo kanang proud po ko nga isa ko sa kanang makagreet sa imong birthday. Proud team Pinyaman. Salamat mauro to. Kanang hinaut na lang ko nga daghan pa mga blessings nga maabot nimo. So, hope nga happy ka sa imong birthday. Happy birthday!
Hi Ate Yen, this is Angelo and wishing you a happy birthday. Stay humble and positive, tsaka energetic. Ayan, so, yeah, once again, happy birthday, love you.
What's up Ate Yen? Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. So, ayan na, nadagdagan ka na naman ng isang taon. Pero okay lang yan, at least masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, masaya ka palagi, lalo na sa iyong mga vlogs, sa inyong mag-asawa. Sana maging matatag kayong dalawa at saka more subscriber, more followers at saka more blessing pa ang inyong matanggap. So, ako nga pala si Sherner Vlog from South Korea na bumabati ulit sa iyo ng maligayang kaarawan. Ate Yen.
Isa nga pala si Evelyn Sanyo, ang frustrated singer ng Korea! Babatiin ko nga pala si Yen ng happy birthday! Si Yen, happy birthday sa'yo. Proud na proud ako sa'yo kasi
Iyan, nag-grow na ang inyong channel at nakikilala na kayo. Sabi ko nga sa'yo noon, nagla-livestream ako na someday magiging celebrity ka kasi ang ganda mo. At saka, sabi ko pa noon, mag-audition ka. Pero yun, kahit di ka na mag-audition, kayo na ang hinahanap, di ba? Ayan. Congratulations sa inyo ni Jelan. More videos pa at happy birthday. I love you.
Hello, Yen. Happy birthday. Pasensya na half right ang face ko na mo. Hindi akong pikas mata. Happy birthday. May you have more and more blessings to come. Unta, magka-baby na mo, Jelan. And congratulations sa inyong success sa inyong channel. Kada ka na mong subscribers. And I do hope nga more subscribers to come and more revenue and more guesting sa TV shows. God bless you both.
Hi, Yen! It's me, Box. Greeting you a happy and blessed birthday to you. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo and I hope maging meaningful yung kaarawan mo ngayon kasi mas marami kang blessings na tanggap. And nakikita namin yan kasi as kapinyaman mo, di ba, before. So, nakikita ko yung progress ng pinaghirapan ninyo and nagbubunga na ito. Sobrang nakakatuwa makita yung mga kasamahan mo na nag-grow sila and tapos humble pa siya, kagaya mo yan. And continue mo yung pagiging inspiring mo sa lahat ng mga small YouTubers na ngayon is bonggang-bongga na, di ba? And continue mo rin yung pagiging gwapa mo, yes, and pagiging sweet ninyo ni Habi kasi sobrang sweet nyo talaga sa sa vlogs and mapapasana all ka talaga. Happy birthday, Yen. God bless and good health. I wish you good health. I wish you all the best.
Say hi, Tita Yen. Hi. Hi, Yen. Happy birthday. And I'm really happy for all the accomplishments of your YouTube channel together with your team Payter. And I'm really thankful that I met you, even though it's just virtual, but I found a friend in you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay sexy, kasi yan ang wala ako. And I wish you more good health and more success on your YouTube channel and on your other dreams and goals in your life. And I hope I will see you soon. And again, happy birthday. Love you. Mwah.
Kamusta kayo mga sunod-sunod? So ko lang batiin na isang happy birthday si Miss Yendal. Congrats sa inyong channel at sana mas marami pong blessing dumating sa buhay niyo mag-asawa. And good luck sa channel niyo. Sana mas marami pa rin sa happy birthday ulit. Miss Yendal from Repax.
So ayun yun, happy birthday rin, no? Huwag pag-schedule tayo, gikan pa sa trabaho. So daghang salamat no nga nakailatan ninyo sa YouTube, no? Kita tanan mga team Pinyaman no. So proud nga member ko sa team Pinyaman kung dili tungod nila. Dili ta maabot sa point kay ngani. So ayun yun, klaro man kayo nga bata pa ka so kanang nasa likod nga murag 40 siguro siya. Di sa siguro ko matuo nga 40 na ka. So ayun yun, more birthdays to come no. Yan ayun. Siyempre gold health permanente yan ayun. Kaundaghan. Yan ayun. More vlogs. Ay grabe support, permanente support no. Proud Bisaya no. Mas mag-abot ta puhon dia sa kuan sa Bohol ba puhon. So ayun yun yen so ayo din enjoy your day yen ayun. Amping unduha si mo iya si Jelan. Sana all. What's kare sa madista?
Hi baby Yen. Happy birthday. Wish ko para sa'yo good health. Many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Una, happy birthday sa iyo, Yen. At wala akong ibang wish, kundi patuloy ang paglago ng inyong channel. Kasi alam ko yun yung tinatahak nyo ngayon at alam kong doon kayo nakafocus ngayon. At sa inyong dalawa ni Jelan, more subscribers to come. At sana lumago pa ang inyong channel. At sana someday magkakasama tayo sa iisang video. So, yun lang. Happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hi! Oh my God. Happy birthday. May God bless you and your family and more vlogs pa ninyo, Kuya Jelan. Oh, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Padako sa kandila.
Make a wish, make a wish. Moray budget. Crisis man, crisis ka sa lang. Sabay kasulti mo.
Thank you so much. Ay, katawa ko. So, thank you so much to all sa mga nag-greet na ariyo. Kasi ako expect. Kailan ka na po. Thank you so much to my Team Payter family, Team Pinyaman family, kay Day Happy Lynn, kay kanan nilang Lester, ni Day Giselle, so Day Bernadette, Diyos ko Day, yung ako ni mo Day, ni Ate Marvin, nga mo dyan yung mentor na ako, thank you so much Ate, dyan, kisa pa to, na sa, ala, nakalimutan ako sa uban, but, thank you so much, thank you, sa Kwan, BYC family, sa Riot Squad, thank you so much once again, so thank you, kay Dam Armelin, and dyan, salamat po ni Jelan, kay tungod ni Sanu, so, mura bitawag na reunion kumbaga, na reunited me sa among Team Pinyaman family. Though, kanang ang uban wa paari, pero kay ko nga, kanang, kuan nga, oh my God, Diyos ko day! Oh! Basta kay na mo Team Pinyaman family, so hopefully nga magka-reunite tapuhan. Gigimingon ako ninyo! So, gimingon ako ninyo again, Team Pinyaman. O Team Payter, not nga magkahiusap ang tanan. Not nga, mura nga patag sa una nga, grabe ka yung maka-panmer. As in yan. Kailangan ako. Ako buwang! My God! Dito! Sound ba na? Thank you so much Sanu for kanang making this. Nag-effort yung nagtawan nga kanang mga paano mo sa lahat kanang greetings. And do ako ga-expect dyan nga nga ni. And then sa surprise ni Mogan dyan. Thank you so much. And to my family, kay Boko nga, kanang love ko ni Jo. Nagmamatagan dyan. So, thank you so much once again. And to all my sanug sanada na, thank you so much for supporting us. And in happy kadyo ko. And God bless you po. Thank you so much.